Vasudevaya. Vandeham Sri Guru Sri Juta Padakamalam. A sadhu, a sage or a devotee, although he knows everything, still he always places himself as he does not know anything. He never says that I know everything. But actually, it is not possible to know everything. That is not possible. But one, just like Sir Isaac Newton, he agreed that people say I am very much learned, but I do not know how much I am learned. I am simply collecting some pebbles on the seashore. So that is the position. If a man who is actually learned, he will never say that I am learned. He will simply say, I am the full number God. I do not know. So Chaitanya Mahaprabhu appreciated his humbleness because actually he was very learned and very man of position in the society. So as a matter of reciprocation, exchange of, I am to say, etiquette, he also accepted, no, you are not fallen, you don't be discouraged. Simply, it is the duty of any learned man to place himself like that, but you are not fool. Krishna Bhakti Dharatami, because you are already devotee. Before retirement and before coming to Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, these Goswamis, as I told you, they are very learned Sanskrit scholar. They used to read Bhagavad. When he gave false report to the Nawab Sahib that I am not well, I cannot attend office, then Nawab Sahib went to his house one day personally, that this gentleman is not attending office and simply submitting sick report. What is that? So when he approached, Nawab Sahib saw that he is engaged with learned Pandits in reading Srimad Bhagavatam. Then he understood, oh, this is your disease. You are now taken to the Srimad Bhagavatam. So actually, you are very learned, but out of his humble behavior, he is submitting himself to Lord Chaitanya in this gentle way. So Chaitanya Mahaprabhu says, Saddharma sabubodhaya jishang nidbandhini matihi achiradeva sarvartha siddhati isham avipsitaha. He says that your desire is to get perfection. Therefore you are so much humble. So he quotes one verse from Naradiya Puran, that anyone who is very serious, one who is serious about knowing himself perfectly, and if he seeks in that way, then his perfection is guaranteed. The only thing is that one should be very serious. This purport of this verse is Saddharma Sabhavadaya Jishang Nidbandhini Mati. Nidbandhini Mati means he has already determined that in this life I shall make my life perfect. Then for him perfection is guaranteed. If he thinks, oh, let me try, let me test also this department of Krishna consciousness, at the same time test other department, let us go this way. No. One should be very much serious to make complete perfection in this life. So, a man should be serious like Sanatana Goswami. And for that purpose, he sacrificed everything. He became a beggar. So, we should be prepared to sacrifice anything for perfection of this human form of life. Then, perfection is guaranteed. Simply, we should be very serious. That's all. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna,